If you have ever tried to find the right person online for outreach, hiring, partnerships, sales, investing, or creator collaborations, then you already know how chaotic the process gets. What starts as a simple search can quickly turn into a mess of LinkedIn tabs, X profiles, company websites, databases, copied notes, and half-built spreadsheets. The issue usually is not that people are impossible to find. The issue is that the right people are hard to identify, hard to compare, and even harder to turn into a clean list you can actually use. That is exactly the gap Lessie AI is built to solve. Lessie AI is a people search AI agent designed for modern workflows. Instead of relying on rigid filters and manual digging, it lets you search in natural language. So rather than forcing your intent into a narrow set of drop-downs, you can simply describe the kind of person you want to find. That could be a founder, creator, investor, client, expert, candidate, or strategic partner. It is a much more realistic way to search, because in the real world, most valuable searches are nuanced. You are usually not just looking for marketing managers in New York. You are looking for people with a certain background, signal, point of view, niche, level of influence, or likelihood of being relevant to your goal. That is where Lessie starts to feel different from ordinary search tools. The first big advantage is that it understands intent. You can search for people based on a richer description of who they are and why they matter. That means the process feels less like database management and more like briefing an intelligent assistant. Instead of spending your energy translating your thoughts into filters, you spend your energy defining what actually matters. That alone is a major improvement for anyone doing high-value outreach or research. The second thing that makes Lessie compelling is that it does not stop at discovery. As your search evolves, Lessie turns those results into a smart working table. This is important because most people search workflows break after the initial result set. You find names in one place, judge them in another, copy them into a spreadsheet, then move into yet another tool for outreach. Lessie reduces that fragmentation. As you refine your prompt and ask follow-up questions, the table updates with more context and more useful structure. In other words, the search turns into a working list instead of a dead end. That matters in practical terms. Imagine you are in sales and want to find decision makers at fast-growing SaaS companies who are actively thinking about product-led growth, community, or AI adoption. Or maybe you are a creator looking for founders with a credible product story, some traction, and enough public presence to make them strong content guests. Or maybe you are recruiting and want highly specific technical talent with signals that go beyond a standard resume. In each of those cases, the job is not just to find a person. The real job is to build a shortlist that is relevant enough to act on. Lessie is useful because it helps you move from vague intent to usable shortlist much faster. Another strength is how interactive the process feels. Instead of restarting your search every time you want more detail, you can keep shaping the same working list. You can ask for different angles, explore further context, and make the output more decision-ready as you go. That creates a smoother experience for actual operators, and it also makes for a better demo, because viewers can watch the search become more useful in real time rather than just staring at a static result page. Then there is the step where most tools lose momentum: outreach. Lessie extends into that next stage by supporting list saving, exporting, and AI-generated email drafting. That means once you have identified promising people, you are already one step closer to contacting them in a meaningful way. For anyone doing lead generation, hiring, partnerships, or influencer outreach, that handoff between search and engagement is where a lot of the real value lies. It is not enough to know who matters. You need a workflow that helps you act while the context is still fresh. What makes Lessie AI especially relevant today is that it fits the way modern teams and creators actually work. People do not want another isolated tool that adds more friction and another dashboard to maintain. They want systems that reduce manual effort from start to finish. Lessie helps bridge that gap by connecting discovery, evaluation, organization, and outreach into one flow. Search, refine, compare, save, export, and contact can all happen with far less context switching than in a traditional setup. And that is probably the clearest way to understand the product. Lessie AI is not just about finding more people. It is about finding the right people with more precision, more speed, and more usable context, then making it easier to take the next step. Whether you are building a prospect list, sourcing talent, finding creators, identifying investors, or researching niche operators in a specific market, the product is built around a very real problem. Not a lack of information, but a lack of intelligent, actionable discovery. If you want to see what that looks like in action, try Lessie AI through the official site and product link and test it with a search prompt that actually matches your world. That is when the value really clicks. If you want to try Lessie out, we've got 50% off for new customers. Code SGPT50.